Myself, Mrs. Sanjana Sukala of Class 3, Subject Science. We will start with reteaching of Lesson 4, Birds, Part 3. The topic is Nests of Birds. Birds need shelter to protect themselves from bad weather and enemies. They also need a place to lay eggs and to protect their young ones. Now let's see types of nest. The first type is tailor bird. Tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sheave leaves together using thread and wool. The next is weaver bird. Weaver bird weaves pieces of leaves, grass and twigs to build a beautiful nest. Next is woodpecker. Woodpecker pecks into the tree trunk with its sharp beak to make a hole for a nest. The next type is penguin. Penguin lives in a freezing cold area. They cannot find twigs or leaves, so they collect some pebbles and they make their nest. The fifth one is kingfisher. A kingfisher burrows a hole on the banks of river to use it as a nest. Now let's begin with the parental care. Now the mother bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. This process is called incubation. When the babies are completely formed in the egg, it comes out from the egg by breaking the shell, which is known as hatching. Study of birds is called ornithology, and a person who studies birds is known as ornithologist. Dr. Salim Ali was a famous ornithologist of India. He has been awarded Padma Vibhushan by the Government of India. Thank you.